And this is about making money with meaning. And you will never work a day in your life if you find what you play at that other people have to work at, and you make that your focus. Hey there, Marguerita here, founder and creator of the Wealth Consciousness Movement and the Global Online Business Academy. And I'm here to give you another powerful tip to help you to become the best version of you so you can be unstoppable in achieving life beyond your wildest dreams, because you are infinitely powerful. And when you own that, anything is possible. So today I'm going to, if you want to create wealth and freedom in your life, then I'm going to say to you, stop trying to make money. I know it sounds completely contradictory, but I will explain. So too many people are looking in the wrong direction to try and create wealth in their life. So they're looking for the next big thing. They're looking for that thing that's going to make them more money. And that's where their focus is. Their focus is on the financial reward. Now, money's great. Money, wealth is a part of the business or entrepreneur or investment strategy that you decide to employ. The thing is, if that is the only focus that you have, then you are missing the point and you're going to miss out on the richness of the experience that you can have. So here's what I mean. And this is about making money with meaning. So if you decide instead to stop looking for how to make money and you start looking for the things that inspire you and uplift you, if you start looking from the perspective of what am I passionate about? What causes do I want to contribute to? What contribution do I want to make? What do I stand for? What breaks my heart? These are all the kinds of questions that I ask my clients in my Billionaire You coaching program to help them to get to understand what it is they're here on this planet to do. What gifts do you have? What is your unconscious competence? What is your core genius? Because when you come from that perspective, then taking that journey is so incredibly fulfilling and rewarding and satisfying. And you will never work a day in your life if you find what you play at that other people have to work at, and you make that your focus. Now, that doesn't mean you don't get to make money. What it means is you get to monetize that, which is so much more fun. So instead of looking for that thing that's going to make you the money and give you the freedom, you look for the thing that inspires you, that uplifts you, that you feel passionate about. Because business can be hard. Entrepreneurship can be very hard. And if you wake up each and every morning feeling like you've got to drag yourself out of bed to get to whatever business or project that you're invested in, then that is just, you might as well go and get a job that you don't like. It's just, and this is where so many business people end up just buying themselves a very expensive job, and they don't get paid as much as they would if they were in a job, which is the travesty. So if you are, I really want you to think about that, to unpack that, to think about what is my core genius? What am I passionate about? What do I play at that other people have to work at? What are my superpowers? What do I love to do? What's my unconscious competence? What contribution do I want to make? These are a lot of questions. Now, you will find a lot more detailed training on this in my Global Online Business Academy. So it's globalonlinebusinessacademy.com. It is for online entrepreneurs primarily. There is a wealth of training within there that's going to help you to unpack these things these concepts that I'm talking about, so you can build a business and a life that you love and rewards you financially as well. Because once you figure all that out, then you have to figure out how you're going to monetize it. And there's a whole journey involved in that as well. So globalonlinebusinessacademy.com Go and dive in. Now, it is totally free. All the training in there is totally free. And you also get access to the Wealth Consciousness Movement Transformation Portal, which has a wealth of mindset transformation in there. The amount of training and transformation in that portal is unbelievable. It'll blow your mind. globalonlinebusinessacademy.com. Go and register your details there and start embracing these philosophies that I'm teaching you in this series, because seriously, they will rock your world. So stop trying to make money. Build a life of fulfillment, satisfaction, passion. Do the things that you play at and that you love, and your life will be so much. Because if you define it by the money that you make, you're going to get very bored and tired of that very quickly. And that may not seem like that right now. If you're in a financial position of, oh God, that will never happen for me, I just want the money. You will find because money is not a very fulfilling reward ultimately. I highly recommend building wealth and freedom, financial wealth and freedom, to be able to overcome many of life's challenges and stresses that are caused by a lack of money. You don't want the lack and poverty consciousness. But when you do it, doing something that you love, man, you will wake up every day just wondering how on earth you got so damn lucky that you got to live the life that you are living. I guarantee it. So globalonlinebusinessacademy.com. I look forward to seeing you in the community and in another training very soon.